Alright, Topps Marquee 2011, second case, second 6-box case. Good luck, everybody. Let's hope we get something sick again. Some nice cards. See, a little more of the card test on it. WC for 6. No jersey auto. Again, like that. Jumbo patch. Okay, get some suggestions out here. Let's hit one of what you guys are talking about. Our first parallel is Jackie Robinson for the Dodgers, number 2/199, bronze. First hit is the on-card auto. Good luck. I'll slow roll the on-cards just in case they're sick. St. Louis Cardinals, Colby Rasmus. That's nice. Number to 570. Not bad. A rat. 274 to 570. Cardinals, Falker. No, he's not on the Cardinals anymore. Still says St. Louis Cardinals on that card. Alright, here we go. Pack 2. Parallel is Starlin Castro to 99 for the Cubs. Goldie. Well, we saw. There you go. Same one that we got in the first sixer. Brandon Phillips, triple jersey and elastic, number to 199 for the Reds. Phillips. Zero Cool's got the Reds this go around. Got in because somebody didn't pay. Look at that. See some balloons? Alright, got another patch. This should be the, ooh, it's red. I think it's red. We didn't get anything like this before. Alright. Hanley Ramirez to 299 for the Marlins. Yeah, I mean, we got the red jumbo jersey before, but this is like a red auto or something. There we go. Good luck. Brian McCann, dual patch auto, 1 of 1 for the Braves. 1 of 1. Sick. That's for Bulldogs. There it is. Nice. Real nice multicolored patches there. Part of logos. It's part of the, definitely part of the logo patches there. Or maybe the name, team name on the front of the jersey. Sick. Bulldogs. Got Giants and Braves. 101. Well, there's our first 101. 101 dual patch auto. Last pack. It's going to be the jumbo jersey, probably. Justin Upton for the D-backs, the 299 blue. And it is Hanley. That one's got some pinstripes on it. It's cool. Hanley Ramirez for the Marlins, number to 99. Jumbo jersey. It's Ed, Ace Fan 7, who killed it with the Rangers in the first case. Alright, let's get the lines. That's it for box 1. Peace.